How to generate invoices on your website in WordPress. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can generate invoices on your website in WordPress. So let's get started. If you have an online store or a business that you have created on WordPress, you have your own website and you want to add a plugin, a page where you can simply generate invoices on your website, and users will be able to generate invoices on your website without using any other platform. So this video is for you. The process is really easy. Let's get started. First, what you have to do is simply open up your WordPress website dashboard and you will simply scroll down to plugins. Today, I will show you how to add a plugin that will help you generate invoices in your WordPress website. So in plugins, let's go to add new. In plugins, what you have to do is simply go ahead and type in invoices in the search bar. This is where you will land. You will get a lot of different plugins to go for. So you will choose whatever plugin is suitable for your WordPress. So what I will do is I'm going to go with this one because this is compatible with my WordPress version. And then you can see right here, this has actually more than 300,000 active installations and it works with WooCommerce as well. So I have a WooCommerce right here on WordPress. So I'm going to use this one. This will allow me to create PDF invoices and packing slips. Perfect. Click on install now, and once it's installed, we will simply click on activate. So once you add the plugin, it will be added right here. You can simply go for Sprout invoices as well, because most of the people will be thinking that what if they do not have WooCommerce? So I showed you for WooCommerce, you can simply go with the plugin that I installed, and then you can also go with Sprout invoices. This is actually an easier way, and it allows you to generate invoices in any field that you are in, not particularly for WooCommerce. So to register, what you have to do is you will simply add your email address right here, and then after that you will be able to register. So this is where we will do our journal settings for our invoices. So what you have to do is you will of course have to add your company information. You will add your company name right here, which is your website name as well. Then we have contact email. You have to add phone number, fax, first name, last name, street address, state, city, zip code, and country. After that, to generate invoices, you can actually select any of the templates. There are different templates and themes available on Sprout invoices that allow you to create different invoices. So we have the basic theme, we have default, we have original, and we have slate theme as well. Simply select a theme, and after that you can choose the colors for your invoices as well. You can add your logo, whatever you want to add, and then you can also submit them with different submission form that you have created. So let's go ahead and create an invoice. Let me actually select any of the themes. Let's go with the basic theme right here, and this is the basic theme. This is how it will look. I'm going to click on save. So these are the general setting for my invoices. Then what I can do is I can simply go to payment settings, and let's do the payment settings. So you will notice that the more steps I am doing, for example, I selected the theme and I kind of like completed my general settings. I completed my general settings. So now I am on 30% complete. So let's check out the payment method. So with Sprout invoices, this is actually really amazing that you can add any payment method you want to. We have PayPal, we have Stripe, we have Square, and we have BeanStream, BluePay, and there are others as well. So you will simply connect any of the payment method you want to. You can also go with your credit card. This is disabled right now. You will simply select PayPal, Stripe, Square, then we have BluePay and Braintree, NMI, Payment Express. So all of them are available right here. You will select any of the payment method. Let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to select my Stripe so that we will be able to go ahead and accept money and add a payment method with our debit card as well. So you will simply select it. Once you have selected the payment method, then we have a money format. So whatever money formatting you want to add, you will add it right here. This is actually configured with your WordPress version 2. So once you're done with all of these settings, you will simply click on save and they will be saved. Then we have notifications. In notifications, I will be able to get my notification and check out different notification settings for my invoices. We have standard settings for notification. This is the email that will be sending me the notification. Then we have the admin email. Then you can select any of the different notification email. For example, invoice available, estimate available, payment received, any kind of email that you want to send. I want to send someone estimate available, or maybe I want to send them payment received, so I will simply select this one right here, and then I will be able to add it to my website right here. Then we have add-on. So what I am doing is I am actually just showing you an overview how to do this and how you will use this platform. Now it depends on you that what different things you want to add. Of course, you will add a payment method. Of course, you will do different general settings. You will add an email, and you will actually get into the details of how to actually generate your invoices. I'm showing you a platform how to generate invoices with your WordPress. So you will also get an add-on option that allows you to add different add-ons. I will be able to get reports, and in reports I can actually go for different dashboard. I can go with invoice reports, estimate reports, payment reports, and client reports. So this is actually pretty amazing. I don't have to go to any other platform to get all the stats and to get all the information. I will simply have my own invoice dashboard, and then we have our estimate dashboard, payments, and others too. So this is a pretty basic platform, very easy to use. The signing up process is really easy, and it allows you to generate your own invoices on WordPress.
So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic and I hope that you understood everything and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below what was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.
So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to generate invoices with WordPress. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.